All right, so here's how to use this program. First, up here, you're going to put in your address and hit search. And then you're basically going to drag this to wherever it needs to be, or you can zoom in or out. Once you get to there, just click where the fence is going to start. And then you're going to double click where it ends. There's going to be a footage that comes up. You'll just click and drag that. You're going to click this little squiggly line next to do another line. So you just click, double click, and drag. And then you just basically do that same thing over and over. Oops. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the closer it is, the more accurate of a price we can give you. Okay. So once you have that done, then you're going to just put your information in here. And then you can put the type of fence, the style fence. So if it's like picket or privacy, just put picket. The height is, let's say, 4 feet. The color is white. And then for the sides that have single gates. So we're going to pretend there's a gate on this side. So the 43.4. And we're going to pretend there's a single gate in the back as well. So at the 143. Then the sides with the double gates, we're going to pretend that's front right, the 54.9. And then when you're looking to install, and then the reason, we'll just put dollars. Okay. After you do that, you're going to download the screen. And then it's automatically going to take you to this. You're just going to fill out this form real quick. Most of the stuff's just going to auto-populate for you. And then you'll do however you want to be contacted. You'll put in your address, next. And then what kind of installation, if it's a repair, new installation, or existing fence. Time frame, a little bit about the project. And then this is where you're going to upload. So hit yes, do this, and then we are going to download or attach that. Okay, and then you submit that. That's all you need to do. At that point, we're going to reach out to you and let you know how we can help. We'll discuss your project. We'll talk about pricing and all that kind of good stuff. So anyway, hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.